One of my favourite parts of the world has to be the Bavarian, Austrian mountains, where the Alps meet Germany, or where the Alps meet Italy or France for that matter. It's absolutely gorgeous. Unlike what we were wearing.
I was watching this back and thought, what on earth have I got on? Then I remembered why.
When we travelled, I don't know if you remember, we had very few clothing, just our summer clothes from here in Australia. So we're up in the Alps of Austria, wearing everything and anything. And that's why Michelle looks a bit of a numpty in this one. But anyway, you've got to enjoy. Austria looks gorgeous. I can't wait to go back. So it looks like it's family day here in Germany, so the McDonald's we just called into for coffee has got Ronald McDonald in it. And they've got the whole place decked out really nicely. There are balloons everywhere. There's a juggler downstairs. We've got actual Ronald McDonald. We are going to be crossing into Austria, possibly under this bridge. I'm not sure, under this, through this tunnel, should I say. We are in Austria. That tiny little sign there, just up on the right on the wall, you may have seen it, you may not have. That was the Austrian border. So that tunnel we've just gone through, GPS signal lost. GPS signal lost, not surprisingly, is the border between Germany and Austria. And look, we're in Austria. How beautiful. Well, it's just as beautiful in Germany. The hills are alive with the sound of music. No, we are in Austria. Look at this, it looks beautiful. It's looking distinctly Sound of Music. We're in the foothills of the Alps. It looks gorgeous. The temperatures are not so bad. It's 9 degrees Celsius, that is. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. If you know what that is in Fahrenheit, write it down below for the others to see. Everywhere is a postcard. Doesn't matter where you look here, apart from the cables in the air, but everywhere's a postcard. Wow, look at that bridge up in the sky. It's like a rope bridge. Man, who would cross that? That looks crazy high. I've never seen such a thing. Well, we're not stopping here, but wow, that's amazing. Now it said 30 km/h round this bend, and you can see why. Look how tight these bends are in the mountains. I absolutely love driving in Austria. Not only is every single view you get like a postcard, but the driving is just gorgeous. Now that is the mountain that looks down on the chalet we're staying here in Austria. It is so beautiful. Just take a look. Now all around these hills here are these beautiful little wooden cabins. I'm not sure what they're for. I'm guessing they're sort of shelters for animals, but there are many of them sort of peppered all over the mountainside. If you look over towards where we've parked over there, you can see there are dozens of them in all the little fields, whether they're for timber or sheltering animals. It is just so gorgeous out here. The snow is pretty heavy just there on the mountain. It's about 5 degrees, maybe 6 degrees today, but it feels really crisp and fresh. Michelle and I feeling the cold. Actually, we've only got very basic layers on, and you can't probably see behind me, but there's snow on these mountains, and it's close to, well, it's pretty low. I don't know how close to freezing it is, but it feels all right. We're walking, we've got some hats on, and we're doing a little route around the mountaintops where we're staying. A tractor has been muck spreading all around the fields, and there's muck on these walkways. Luckily, horse caca isn't as smelly as... Actually, it smells quite fresh.
There's a horse over there.
Anyway, it is truly fresh and beautiful up here. We're in the Austrian Alps, And although we're actually heading to warmer climes, we're making the best that we can with what little clothes we are to just get out and enjoy this brisk cold weather. Now, as we've been walking on this route, we keep seeing this sign. We're following it, we don't know where it's going. It's sort of like a, looks like a maze. That way. The farmers have got all their wood stacked up, ready for a long cold winter. How beautiful are these houses up here, by the way? How lucky people are to live up in the Austrian Alps. I've said this I think before, but everywhere up in the mountains looks like it's been perfectly manicured or cut. It's very beautiful, Austria. It's a great big stone here. I'll give it to scale to see Michelle next to it. So this hole goes all the way through. Anyway, that's our direction. Now don't ask me why we're up here. It doesn't make the view any more or less spectacular, but I'm stood on this sort of platform. As you go around these walkways, they've got these little activities. I think this is one of them. Maybe it isn't. Anyway, down we go. Just to show you just how crazily big. Yeah. I think I might have to help her down because I'm so gallant. Michelle doesn't like
I don't like heights.
the heights as much as I do. You all good?
Yeah, I'm good now. You can go.
Oh. As I say, what that's about I don't know, but I think that's our place, though, the one just in between the houses there. I can't be sure. Okay, that wasn't our chalet. Ours, I just show you the mountains behind us. Ours is not this one, the roof just behind that one over there, sort of thing. There's a little kindergarten just below us. That's how we know how to find our way back. This is the kindergarten at the bottom of the hill. They got great facilities. I think that's the school. Yeah, that's the kindergarten there. How pretty is that? So they've got children markings on the road, so you drive carefully. And because the children come out of there, they've got this beautiful play park. In the distance, I don't know if you'll pick up the sound, it's those cowbells. You only really hear them in Austria. I can hear them from our bedroom window. You know, they wear those big cowbells around their necks. When you drive round this corner here, you have to use that mirror there to see if there are cars coming, because it's a very tight bend. So you can see as you come up, use that to get round. Otherwise, you just wouldn't be able to see if someone was coming around the bend. A lot of the houses have these very beautiful paintings on the walls. Now this time we can actually see our little chalet on the top there. So we're almost there. It's been a beautiful walk. What I might do actually is take you for a full walk around that route, maybe with the GoPro on the gimbal, so you can see it with a bit of music maybe, so you can see just how beautiful it is. We'll see. If the weather stays good, we'll do, catch my breath. If the weather stays good, we'll do that possibly tomorrow. Share the love, give this a thumbs up, share the video with your friends. Be good. See you shortly. That brings back really good memories from Austria. As I say, it's one of my favorite countries in the world just to walk and explore. And the next video, we will be walking and exploring in Austria. And hopefully we'll be dressed
Maybe a bit more appropriately.
much the same, I think. Anyway, we'll see you in that video. Take care, and hope you've enjoyed it. As I've said before, share the video, share your love, and comments down below. We'll see you next time. Be good.